It's been open. Are you kidding me? So guys, what I have here is this one. Pinapaitan. Pancit canton. Ding dong. Pancit canton. Pancit canton. Cracklings. Natu putih. What the hell? Look! It's been open. Are you kidding me? Uh-oh. Ew. What the hell? Give me a second. I'm gonna complain about that. And spaghetti. And this one. And this one. It's a little bit dirty. And this one. Tuyo. More palas and pancit canton. Wow. Chippy. Pinoy noodles. It's arroz caldo. Lucky me, lapas bachoy. The same. Mango. I don't know what to call this, but my mom used to cook this a lot, so I'm gonna cook more. And of course, guys, this one is siling labuyo. And ube. I'm gonna cook some ube pandesal. And my all-time favorite, 555. And corned beef, yay, spicy flavor. I don't like that. Oh my god, it's been open. The hell. And this one. And some puto. And some bibingka. Cardiletta. What the hell? I think. Oh my god. Pika. Lucky me. Bingo. Cup noodles. Kopiko astig. And this one, UFC banana ketchup. This thing, oh, I have more. Calamansi. Hot and spicy, and C2, and bagoong. That's all.